history is rich with pain and mayhem, violence and evil. In WrestleMania, I walked down that aisle of princess, Noah goddess, and you had to put your nose into my business where it never belonged. I beat you to the ground. The pain, and the anguish. You're mine. And finally, here, last Monday night on Raw, I tore at your flesh. I tore at your clothes. I tore at your very sensational one! From this day forth, I will haunt your very breath. I will be your shadow in the darkness. And then soon, very, very soon, I will wipe you from this earth. And I, Luna Vachon, I will be the goddess of the squared circle.
Pretty doesn't have to be a priority. So I have a couple of notes here. This hair was from kind of the beginning inspiration. I didn't shave the sides, obviously, so disregard that. The eyelashes drawn on, I'll insert a photo here, are more from her WCW days, and then I believe she started doing it again with the oddities. And then the eyebrows, she always did an eyebrow similar. And then the bolts on the side, she did a lot of colors when she debuted in the WWE with Shawn Michaels. WWF at the time. And she did a lot of bolts like this when she initially got her head shaved from Kevin Sullivan. She started doing the bolts and they became more and more and more and more. I really do enjoy Luna Vachon. She's an absolute legend for me. It's a shame that she's not in the Hall of Fame. She gave her absolute life to wrestling. She ate, slept, and breathed wrestling. So I really do enjoy her. She provided me a lot of entertainment as a kid. So I really hope you guys enjoy the video. Once again, this is just for fun. This is not to be super pretty. This is to be, you know, a tribute to one of the women that I looked up to when I was a kid. So I think that says a lot about who I am today as a person. I looked up to someone that looks like this, you know? And I relate to her on a personal level because she did have a lot of personal demons, and I've kind of touched on those in the past on my channel. So, but anyway, I really hope you guys enjoy. This is super fun for me, and thank you for your support. Bye. Okay, so we're starting off with some concealer. Luna didn't have very big under eye bags like I do, so we're just going to conceal those. Then I'm going to go into the September Rose Cosmetics Slush palette, and I'm going to use a light purple because if you look in the photo where she draws on her eyelashes, the light purple is on her eyelid. Then I'm going to etch out that eyebrow. And I'm just using a black eyeliner for that. And then I will go in, once I have the shape correct, and I'm using a reference photo here for this, just so that I have the shape correct, I will use a black gel liner to ensure that it is very intense and very black. Then we'll start with the lightning bolts. I'm just using a liquid liner here to do the lightning bolt from the inner corner. Luna's lightning bolts changed all the time, so I didn't really use any regularity with those. Then I am drawing on the eyelashes. I didn't want to put them in my crease because I saw in one video Luna only drew them really above her crease. I did mine on my lid because I kind of wanted it to look like it extended up when my eyes were open. And then I put liner on over top of the ones on the lid anyway. Then I'm just doing some lightning bolts, very sporadic. I'm just using a blue here. Sometimes she used a blue, green, and red to look more like veins almost. And then sometimes she used the black, the red, the blue. She really changed it up. I heard a rumor that she got them tattooed on. But then I also heard that that was a rumor, so I don't know. Like, I think she'd be badass enough to do it, but that'd be dope as fuck, though, if you see someone with lightning bolts all down their face. Like, yes. And then I'm just adding the red, making sure that they kind of go in Y formation. Then I'm putting a thick line above, and I'm kind of not really winging it out as much as pulling it out, because as you can see in the photo where I showed her, where I referenced her eyebrow, the wings kind of just go straight out. They don't go up or down. They more so go down, but I don't really have the eye shape to do that. And then I'm adding some black into the bolts. But as you can see, the wing, I call it a wing, but it's not truly a wing. The eyeliner is, you know, super messy, and it's not meant to be perfect by any means. If you want that, go to somewhere else. But then I'm using a red lipstick. Sometimes she used black. Sometimes she used no lipstick and outlined very, very heavily in like a dark black, sometimes purple color. Then I'm just putting my hair on and pulling back the sides and making the top all big. Then you're pretty much good to go. I hope you guys really enjoy this video and have a great holiday. Bye!